Hello everyone, it's me Lay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for all of you. You've seen me unbox my beautiful A5 crock Filofax in ebony, and if you haven't watched this video, I would link it down in the description box below. But this is my A5. So pretty. Okay, don't get me started. All right, but today's video is not going to be about that Filofax. Let me just adjust this keyboard. It's going to be the inserts that are going to be inside this planner. And it's a package from Cloth and Paper. Let me tell you just a little something about this order. It was super duper nice because one of the customer service actually sent me an email and asked me some question about my order. The reason to this is because my order contains an A5 size and also a personal size. And the email was about that. They wanted to confirm that I didn't make a mistake and ordered two different inserts and then different size. They wanted to make sure that I didn't make a mistake. So that was super duper nice. All right, so of course, as always, it's packaged really neatly and nicely in a Cloth and Paper box, and the packaging is just luxury, as you all know that. Look at that. Okay, so what I have in here is the daily of 2020 in personal size. Yes, I showed you an A5, but I was thinking that I wanted to go personal when it comes to my daily, just because I don't really have a whole lot of things going on in my day, and I don't really work by hour, by hourly, and so it didn't really matter. So basically what I need from this insert is going to be the priorities, what are the things that I need to do, and then I don't need a whole lot of space for the hourly, so I thought the size is just perfect. Then I have to-do lists and some notes in there for remarks or anything that I need to remember for that day. And I love it. I love it. Look how thick that is, because this is the whole 2020. And of course, I'm going to be wasting the January because I won't be needing that. All right, the next one that I ordered is this. This is a dashboard. So this one is a frosted, which is a vellum. So I love the aesthetic, and I thought it would go really nicely over here. And I'll show you guys a setup video of my Filofax planner very soon. And then I ordered the budget as well, and this is in A5. So they're wondering, why does she have an A5 and then she has a personal? So I thought that was just a nice touch, which is very, very awesome for a business like that to take notice of those things, you know. So here we go. We have the finance. I'm really interested in, very curious and so interested to become more intentional when it comes to budgeting. So this is what it looks like inside. So you have a monthly budget. I'm pretty sure that in the front is kind of like just a preview and to show you how to use this budget finance insert. So you have how to use over here, questions to consider, and then they'll give you some tips how to use this insert. So we've seen the monthly budget over here, and then you have an expense log, which I need to transfer the one that I have from January, and then I haven't done February yet. Good thing it's not a whole lot. So we're only, it's the 18th today. And then you have a non-essential daily spending. And then this one is recurring payments. I have a couple of those. And then you have monthly reflection. I'm not sure what's this about. Gratitude Align Day, but I'll do a more in-depth review and thoughts about this once I sit down and really pay close attention to everything that's in there. And then I also ordered the Cornell note-taking inserts. I saw a video explaining how this actually works, or how to use this insert, and then when I watched that video, I was really curious. I thought it will be great for note-taking, for kind of like, especially with me when I'm brainstorming with an idea. I think that this will be great. So I think this will be great for that. I think that, okay, so for example, I'm thinking about finishing up my a doodling workshop, let's say, per se. Everything that comes to mind, put it in there. For example, okay, lesson plans, you know, start putting together the worksheets, lecture, all that stuff. Everything that comes to mind, you put it in here. And then kind of like the main subject, so to minimize that ideas that are in here, you put it over here to your left. So all of these jumbled of thoughts, you're going to minimize it into a much more structured thoughts to your left. So, I mean, I still have to really play around with the whole idea and all that. But once I understand everything, like what I said, I'll give you guys a setup video for the Filofax crock, because it's going to be an interesting year, because this year I've changed a whole lot when it comes to my setup and when it comes to my planning system. So I'm very excited where the direction that I'm heading. You know what I mean? I'm so excited about the direction that I'm heading right now when it comes to planning system and becoming more adult and really becoming more responsible. Super, super duper excited with that. And then the personal, I'm planning on using my Filofax. This is the GM. I have in here, I have some Poi and Hun over here. And then I think this is their undated hourly. I don't know. I feel like with the borders around their inserts, I'm finding it that the space is already tiny as it is. It just became more smaller just by having all that insert around the page, you know. But their inserts, the paper quality is really nice. It's very thick. I really liked it. So I think I'm going to still use their monthly, although, however, my monthly is already in my A5, so I doubt that I will really use it. I used it last month just to put in bills over here, so you can see I just have bills for the monthly. Kind of just like a reminder to have, as long as I still have this in my planner. So I might just keep doing that, you know. So keep the monthly over there. And then I have some password inserts still from cloth and paper. This was before, so definitely I will keep using that. And then there's some notes insert as well from Poi and Hun. So I don't know, I might just keep that as well. I love that the graphs are really tiny. See? So, but again, setup video will come soon. I just wanted to show you what I grabbed real quick from cloth and paper. So I am excited. I'm going to set up my planner today. I did my work for the day, so I can play a little bit. But as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I do hope that you consider subscribing and hitting that like button for me. Thank you so much. Stay creative and stay happy. Bye, guys.